Meaning of diddums.
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 Diddums. Diddums is a term used to express sarcasm or mock sympathy towards someone who is perceived as being overly sensitive or complaining about a minor issue. It is often used to dismiss their complaints and belittle their emotions. The word itself has no real meaning, but its usage implies a condescending attitude towards the person being addressed. Overall, diddums is a derogatory term that is generally considered rude and insensitive. Its use should be avoided in most situations to prevent potentially offending others or causing unnecessary conflict.